This video explains how to use Brightspace Virtual Assistant as a learner. Brightspace Virtual Assistant provides answers to your questions by directing you to written, video, and real-time support. Open Brightspace Virtual Assistant by clicking on the icon. Click on a custom button to be directed to common questions and answers, or enter a question in the search field. Your question is answered with Brightspace Community article results. Click Read Article to open the article. Scroll through the content to receive textual and video support. Note, however, that video walkthroughs are not prevalent in all community articles. If you can't find your answer in the suggested article, below Still Need Help, the following buttons can help you with your search. Yes, I Have Another Question lets you enter a new question. Ask the Community directs you to the Brightspace Community landing page. Contact Support provides you with support options according to your organization's EUS package, or simply enter a new question into the search field.